So in this video, we will discuss how to send Telegram messages from Microsoft Excel. So as we all know, Microsoft Excel is a very powerful software. Now guys, in this video, I will tell you how you can send Telegram message using that too automatically. So the trigger of this automation will be addition of new row, addition of new data in Microsoft Excel. And the action will be sending of messages on our Telegram group or Telegram channel. Now how you can automate this compute process? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So first of all, we will go to our browser and search for pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign into my own Pabbly Connect account, and after signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. In this dashboard, we just have to click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as MS Excel to Telegram. MS Excel to Telegram. And click on create. Now we can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first, we have to get the new details, new data which we are adding in our Microsoft Excel spreadsheet in Pabbly Connect. Then after that, after getting the Excel sheet data in Pabbly Connect, using Pabbly Connect, we will send that same data to Telegram channel as a new message. So just take an example, like I have created this Excel sheet for assigning new tasks to my team members. So in this Excel sheet, I have created 3 columns. First one is task name, second one is assigned to, and third one is due date. So here in the section of task name, I just give the name of the task, and then here in assigned to, I give the name of my team member to whom I am sending the message, or to whom I am mentioning on my Telegram channel, or to whom I am assigning the task. And then here in due date, I add the due date of this task. And I want that whenever I add a new row, a new task in this Excel spreadsheet, automatically a message should be shared on my Telegram channel regarding the same content. So first we will connect Excel with Pabbly Connect. Now to do so, here in Pabbly Connect in trigger window, in choose app we will search for Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel it is, just select it. And after that, in trigger event from the drop down, we have to select new row in worksheet. Now as we select our trigger event, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Microsoft Excel account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on connect with Microsoft Excel, select your Microsoft account, and after that, it is asking us for the authentication or authorization. So guys, as you can see, I have already logged into my Microsoft account in my browser over here. That's why Pabbly Connect has detected the same account and it is asking us for the authorization permission. We just have to click on yes, and that's it. Our Microsoft Excel account will automatically get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the workbook. So here in the drop down below workbook, we can see a list of all the Microsoft Excel workbooks which we have created in our Microsoft Excel account. So I have created 4 workbooks till now, and out of all of these workbooks, the data from which workbook we want to get. So we have created a workbook named as new task data for this video. So we will select this workbook over here. So I want whenever a new data is added in this workbook, a message should be sent on Telegram. So I have selected this workbook, and after that in worksheet, you can see that in this workbook, I have only one sheet that is named as sheet 1. So here from the drop down, we have to select sheet 1 over here. And after doing this, we just have to click on save and send test request. So as we click on save and send test request, the details or the response or the data of first row. So this is the first row after of title, and after that this is the first row of data. So data of this row will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So that is the task name is MS Excel integration. For example, this is a dummy task. I am assigning to a person named as dummy, just for an example, and this is the due date. So basically we will get this same data over here in Pabbly Connect. Let's click on save and send test request. Now as we click on save and send test request, we can see that in response over here, we have received the data of the first row from Microsoft Excel. So this is the same task which we have entered in Microsoft Excel, that is MS Excel integration. This is the same name of the person to whom we wanted to assign the task, and this is the same due date which we have entered over here. This means guys that step 1 of setting up this automation is now successfully completed. We have successfully received the data which we are adding in Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect. After that, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, using Pabbly Connect, we will send this data as a message on our Telegram channel. So for that, we will scroll down and come to our action window over here. And here in choose app, we will search for Telegram. Telegram what it is. After that, in action event from the drop down, we have to select send a text message or reply HTML. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Telegram bot account with Pabbly Connect. So to send or receive messages on Telegram, first we have to create a bot in our Telegram account. And after that, we have to add that same bot into a Telegram group or Telegram channel. And after adding it, we also have to give that bot the admin permission, the admin access of that channel or Telegram group. And after that, after doing it, we can basically send or receive the messages on our Telegram channel using that bot. And here it is asking us for the token to make the connection. So here we have to enter the token of that particular bot. Now how you can create this bot and how you can do this process, let me show you in this video. So first here we will go to my Telegram account. This is my Telegram account, the Telegram web. And then here in search section, we have to search for bot father. So let's search for bot father over here. So this is the official tag, official bot father. Just select it. And after that over here, we just have to enter /new bot. So just select enter /new bot over here. And then as we type /new bot, it is asking us, the bot father replies, alright, a new bot. How we are going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So I would like to name my bot as Pabbly123 Connect. So this is the name of my bot, just for an example, a random name. Then we have to give this bot a username. So I will just copy this name once again. And after that, we just have to enter _bot at last to it. So you can basically give any other username as well. I want to give my bot this username, Pabbly123 Connect _bot. Let's send it. And yes, bot father has successfully created this bot. And we have this token, access token of the bot. Just copy this access token from this message of bot father. Just copy it. And then go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in this token section. And then just click on save. And as we click on save, this bot which we have created just now in our Telegram account is now connected with Pabbly Connect. Now what we have to do before moving further in Pabbly Connect, we have to first click on this t.me/bot name. Just click on this and click on this start button. This will activate this bot. So this bot is now activated. And now guys, we have to add this bot in our Telegram group or Telegram channel. So let's create a new group over here. Just click on this plus button, new group. I would like to add, so I would like to add this bot, the bot which we have created just now. I would like to add this bot to this group. So Pabbly123 Connect. Okay, so this is the bot which we have created just now. I would just like to add this bot to a new group which we are creating. You can basically add other members as well with this bot. Let's click on next. Let's name my group as Pabbly, for example. Next, and that's it. Now we can see that we have successfully created this group and added the bot which we have created and connected with Pabbly Connect as a member in this group. Now what we have to do, we have to promote this bot to admin. We have to give the admin access of this group to this bot which we have added. Now you can only do this with Telegram's desktop application or mobile application. So using my mobile application, I will just make this bot the admin. So I'll just promote this bot to admin of this group. And it is done. I have successfully promoted this bot to admin of this group. So after promoting this bot to admin, after making this bot the admin of your Telegram group or channel, we will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we will find that the first thing Pabbly Connect asks us is the chat ID. So whatever Telegram group or channel on which we want to send the message, we have to enter the chat ID of that Telegram group or Telegram channel. Now guys, here how we will find that chat ID. So to get the chat ID of your Telegram group or channel, just go to Telegram web, open this group, and after opening it, in the URL section, you will find some numbers at the last. So after hash, you will find this minus, and then these are some numbers. So this is basically the chat ID of your Telegram group or channel. Just copy this chat ID from this URL section and paste it over here in the chat ID field. So that whatever channel or group you want to send the message, just enter the chat ID of that group over here. Then it is asking us for the text message, that what is the body of the message which we want to send. So we have to basically compose a message over here. So I want my message to be hello, and after hello, I wanted to add the name of the person to whom I am assigning this task, for whom this message is. So we have basically entered the name of the person in our Microsoft Excel sheet. And we have received the Excel sheet response in Pabbly Connect in our trigger window. Here we have the name of the person, dummy. So we have to basically map this same name over here in this field of text message after hello. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and from the drop down from the responses of Microsoft Excel, select the response of post name which we have received from Microsoft Excel. After mapping the post name, just give a comma, and in the next line, I want this message to be, we have a new task for you. And then I just wanted to add the name of the task. So we have received the name of the task as well from Microsoft Excel in Pabbly Connect in our trigger window response. This is the name of the task. So now we will map this name of the task which we have entered in our Microsoft Excel sheet over here in this field of text message. Just click on this field, and from the drop down from the responses, select the response of task name. So we have a new task for you, and due date is, and then from the drop down, we will map the due date of that task which we have entered in our Excel sheet. So this is the kind of message, a simple basic message which I want to send in this video. You can basically add any type of data, any data in your Microsoft Excel sheet, and also you can basically compose any kind of Telegram message to share on your Telegram channel or Telegram group with your team members using this automation. So this is the kind of basic message I have created in this video. After composing the message, it is asking us disable notifications. So we have selected no, and disable link preview, we have also selected no. So basically you can change this according to your choice. And at last, we just have to click on save and send test request. Now as we click on save and send test request, we will see that we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have created, the text message which we have created over here with these details, means the details which we have added in Microsoft Excel sheet. Using these details, our Telegram message is now sent on our group, the same group whose chat ID we have mentioned over here. So let's check. We will go to Telegram. And yes guys, we can see that the same group which we have created just now, and in the group in which we have added our bot and made the admin, the same group has received a message which says hello dummy, means the same name of the person to whom I have assigned the task in my Microsoft Excel sheet. Then this message says we have a new task for you. So we have the name of the task which we have entered in our Microsoft Excel sheet, and also the same due date which we have entered in our sheet. This means guys, the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. So guys, now after setting up this automation, every time I will add the details in a new row, the data in a new row in this sheet, automatically using this data, a new message will be sent on my Telegram group or Telegram channel using Pabbly Connect's automation. Now after setting up this automation, let's get back to Pabbly, and here in Pabbly Connect workflow in trigger window, you will notice it is showing us every 8 hours. Which says this trigger will check for new data in every 8 hours. So the connection between Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect is based on polling technique, which means every 8 hours Pabbly Connect will go and check for new updates in our spreadsheet, in our Excel spreadsheet. And after that, if we find any update in that 8 hours, in the time period of 8 hours, you will get that new data added in last 8 hours and get back to Pabbly Connect. And then it will process our automation workflow. So in this way, it won't be an instant message, but whenever we will add, just keep on adding the data. Every 8 hours, Pabbly Connect will go and check for new updates. And if there is any new update of data, it will get it to Pabbly Connect and process this automation. So not just these applications, guys, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. And also guys, Pabbly Connect comes with a forever free plan. In this plan, you will get 100 free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. Which means if you consume your 100 tasks of Pabbly Connect account this month, you will get 100 free tasks again next month as well. So basically, you can set up and try and test this automation into your own Pabbly Connect account for absolutely free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.